Welcome to luxury resort-style living nestled within the exquisite confines of Cascata Estates. Step into the lap of opulence with this sprawling 5-bedroom plus a den ranch home boasting a finished basement for the ultimate indulgence. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this home is a testament to quality, featuring high-end products meticulously chosen throughout. The strategically designed floor plan offers flexibility and adaptability, ensuring your living space evolves with your needs. Entertain in style with the gourmet kitchen equipped with professional-grade appliances, custom white oak cabinetry, and a large island for culinary creativity. In the primary wing, discover a haven of tranquility with a spacious bedroom complemented by a luxurious ensuite bath, leading to a sprawling walk-in closet. The upper level is a sanctuary for relaxation and reflection. The split plan design includes an additional 4 bedrooms on the main level, each thoughtfully appointed. A full bath with double vanities caters to the needs of family and guests alike, while a guest bedroom enjoys the convenience of an ensuite as well. Step into the gorgeous sunroom, where a seamless transition to the outdoor awaits. Here, a blissful in-ground relaxation pool awaits, surrounded by a fenced area adorned with synthetic maintenance-free grass and aluminum fencing, all set against a breathtaking backdrop. The professionally landscaped yard is a testament to artistry, boasting hardscape features and irrigation for effortless maintenance. Parking is a breeze with an oversized 3-car garage, complete with epoxy flooring and cabinetry for optimal organization. A curbless entry driveway welcomes you home, while custom window treatments and a security system offers peace of mind. Experience luxury living like never before. This better-than-new home awaits, ready for immediate enjoyment. Call A.J. Sheehy for all the details.